Hello everyone, this is Swati from ThemeHunk.com. Welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can display and customize price box block in your website. For this, I am creating a new page. Navigating to pages, add new. Add your page title here. You can search your price box here. Click on price box. As you can see, my price box has been added. You can choose our advanced column layout to add multiple pricing lists in your website. Now I am doing the customization in my pricing box. These are the settings given in our price box header section. From here you can edit or add the heading text like this. You can choose the heading tag from H1 to H6. Also choose the paragraph tag. You can add the description text from here. Like this. You can do the styling of your content. Pick the background color. If you want any gradient color, you can pick it from here. You can choose the heading styles, font family. Font color. You can increase or decrease the font size. Description styles. Choose family. Font size. You can choose the color. In this way you can customize the header section. Now I am going with the price. These settings are for the content of your price. You can choose the currency from here. You can add the pricing. If you want to change the format, you can change it from here. From style, you can pick the background color like this. Gradient background color. This. You can choose the position, top, middle or bottom. In layout, you can choose box layout or rounded layout. You can increase or decrease the price space like this. Enable or disable the border. Also change the border radius and border color. From price style, you can choose the font family, font weight, color, size, currency size. Choose the text color. font size. From list section settings, you can manage your list by adding text, changing the icons, this, choosing the color of your icon, you can also add a new list. From button section, you can add the button text, button link and short description. From style, you can choose the background color of your button. From button style, you can increase or decrease the font size, choose the font color, background color of your button, add padding top and bottom, left and right, enable or disable the border. Same as button style, you can also change the description style like this. From container setting, you can enable or disable the border, add the border width, border radius, change the border color. Here you can add your additional CSS class. This is all about the price box setting. In this way, you can add and customize price box block in your website. I hope this video tutorial will help you. For more video tutorials like this, please press the bell icon and subscribe ThemeHunk channel. Thank you.